I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor.
I wipe the table. I wipe the table.
I make the bed. I put away my toys. I put away my toys.
I wash the window.
I take out the trash. I take out the trash.
I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes. I dust the shelf. I dust the shelf. I mop the floor. I mop the floor.
Let's repeat again.
I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor.
I wipe the table. I wipe the table.
I make the bed. I put away my toys. I put away my toys.
I wash the window.
I take out the trash. I take out the trash.
I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes. I dust the shelf. I dust the shelf. I mop the floor. I mop the floor.
Let's sing a song together.
All right, everyone, let's clean this place up. Yeah, cleaning is fun. Let's go, team.
Circus dust is flying low. Penny's got a hat, she's in the show. Barney wipes the wooden ring while Rosie makes the blanket sing. Pip, while Rosie makes the blanket sing. Pip the lion hides his blocks, tucked away in yellow box. It's the cleanup crew in town. Turn the circus upside down. Happy hands and happy hearts. That's how every magic starts. Sweep and wipe and make it bright. Get it clean with all our might.
With all our might.
Glimmer shines the trailer glass. Brick moves trash so we can pass. Monty folds the laundry small. Monty folds the laundry small. Trundle rinses plates for all. Cleo dusts the silver shelf. Coda mops all by himself. Circus magic sparkly crew. Good job to the cleaning crew. Let's do the quiz. Question 1. Who sweeps the floor? Answer 1. Barney sweeps the floor. Answer 2. Penny sweeps the floor. Yes, answer 2 is correct. Penny sweeps the floor. Question 2. What does Rosie do? Answer 1. Rosie make the bed.
Answer 2. Rosie puts away toys. Yes, answer 1 is correct. Rosie make the bag. Question 3. Who takes out the trash? Answer 1. Pip takes out the trash. Answer 2. Brick takes out the trash. Yes, answer 2 is correct. Brick takes out the trash.
Circus dust is flying low. Penny's got a hat